Google TV just got better. More free channels added. Free channels are now a part of Google TV devices as the platform just got its largest update. For some months, Google has been adding various types of new channels to its roster and is now pushing it with even more entertainment options for its users. It'll make Google TV an even more interesting offer to anyone who's looking for free ad-supported TV channels. The app has already access to some free TV channels that are built into Google TV devices, proper with programming that's all over the spectrum on anything from movies to food to reality TV and game showings. Now adds 18 new ones, including Cheaters, CBC News and Explore, Court TV Legendary Trials, Family Feud Classic, Film Rise Horror, Film Rise True Crime, Grit Extra, Heartland, Laugh More, and Rig TV. Google TV also bundles in free streaming services such as Pluto TV, Tubi, and Plex, among others. That means you can turn to more than enough free ad-supported TV channels to enjoy whenever you want. That means you're gonna watch all your favorite shows and movies without contributing to spending a lot on them. In March of this year, Google announced some new channels, bringing along with them Android 14 for TVs. Next Gen is a key collection of enhancements to the TV OS, bringing new performance boosts, new energy modes, accessibility options, and picture-in-picture support, all to pick up more excitement for your everyday video entertainment fix. Moreover, with more new channels in play and the revitalized OS for TV, Google TV devices are an ever more realistic answer for those in need of a streaming solution. Perhaps it is time you try Google TV for yourself if you still haven't. You'll be able to access free channels and stream these services to Google TV devices today.